Starting your day with a healthy breakfast sets the tone for good choices throughout the day. Breakfast is crucial, especially when pursuing weight loss, as it provides the necessary energy and nutrients to kickstart your metabolism. Opt for meals rich in protein and fiber to keep you feeling full longer, ultimately aiding in controlling cravings. One great breakfast option is a smoothie bowl packed with fresh fruits, spinach, and a scoop of protein powder. Blend together bananas, berries, and a handful of spinach, and pour it into a bowl. Top with sliced fruits, chia seeds, and a sprinkle of nuts for added texture and nutrients. This meal is visually appealing and offers essential vitamins and minerals to fuel your day. Oatmeal is another fantastic choice, versatile and filling. Prepare a bowl of whole grain oats topped with almond milk or water and bring it to a boil. Stir in flax seeds, cinnamon, and top with fresh apple slices and a drizzle of honey. The combination of complex carbohydrates and fiber keeps you satisfied, while the oats' slow-release energy prevents mid-morning hunger pangs. Eggs are a powerhouse ingredient that can contribute to your weight loss journey. Preparing a vegetable-packed omelet or scrambled eggs provides protein along with vitamins and minerals. Incorporate vegetables like spinach, bell peppers, and tomatoes for added flavor and nutrients. Pair this with whole grain toast or avocado for a satisfying meal that promotes fullness. Greek yogurt is also an excellent choice for breakfast. Serve it with a handful of nuts, seeds, and fresh berries. The high protein content combined with healthy fats provides sustained energy, while the probiotics in yogurt support gut health. This simple yet delicious option can be easily customized with various toppings for different flavor profiles. Lastly, don't underestimate the benefits of a warm bowl of quinoa or chia pudding drenched in almond milk. Mixing these seeds with a sweetener of your choice, berries and nuts, transforms it into a nutritious breakfast option. These meals not only curb hunger, but also pack a nutritious punch to support your weight loss goals. Remember that success lies in variety and sustainability, so find options that make your mornings enjoyable.